Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to bill somebody via ACH, checking routing information. So here's what we're going to do. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to input client's information. So if I'm looking on a contract, here I'm going to add a new client. Or rather, I'll just use my name. William Savoy. I'm a male. My email is william@savoyfitness.com. Number 502-555-5555. Create. Use a different email. When you add a new client, all I'm going to do is go from here. I'm going to go to retail. I'm going to click on my name, right? Or I'm going to type in my name, William Savoy. And here, I'm going to go to add item. Services, bootcamp, item, FEO north or south. In this case, it's south. Make sure I got the price right on my add item. And I'm going to go to ACH. This is checking and routing. Or if I wanted to do debit card is here as well. So I can cancel this out. Right? So either one. But if I wanted to do ACH, which is the purpose of this vid, all I want to do is, I'm just going to put the name. William Savoy, routing number, 555-5555, account number, blah, 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 blah. Then I want to go save no receipt. That's how I bill the client. That's how I'm done with everything. So that is how you bill a client via ACH.